In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix headphone volume too low on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting here on my iPhone, and the first thing we need to do is open up the Settings app. So I'll just tap on Settings to get into the main settings screen. Once you're here, you'll see the usual list of options for different parts of your phone. From here, we're going to scroll down until we find the option called Sounds and Haptics. So I'm just moving down the list slowly. And there it is. Go ahead and tap on Sounds and Haptics to open it. Now that we're inside the Sounds and Haptics settings, you'll see several options related to your iPhone's audio, like ringtones, alerts, and other sound settings. What we're looking for here is the option called Headphone Safety. It's usually a bit further down on the page, so I'm just scrolling down toward the bottom. As I keep scrolling, you should eventually see Headphone Safety. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Alright, now we're inside the headphone safety section. This area controls how your iPhone manages headphone audio levels to help protect your hearing. One of the things you'll see here is a decibel control that limits how loud your headphones can get. If your headphone volume feels too low, this is where you can adjust that limit. So what we're going to do here is increase the decibel level. You'll see a slider on the screen, and you can adjust it by dragging it to the right. So I'll just place my finger on the slider and slowly drag it toward the right side. As you move it to the right, the allowed headphone volume increases, which means your headphones will be able to play audio louder than before. You can adjust the slider until it reaches the level you prefer. Just move it gradually until the limit feels right for you. Once you've increased the decibel level by dragging the slider to the right, the change takes effect right away. There's nothing else you need to save or confirm, so you can simply leave the settings after that. And that's basically all there is to it. You open the Settings app, go into Sounds and Haptics, scroll down to Headphone Safety, and then increase the decibel limit by dragging the slider to the right. So that's how you fix headphone volume that's too low on an iPhone.